Hey everyone, all the researchers. Today we are again here with a new hands-on practice of finding the interaction of the drug and medicine you are taking. And for that particular thing, the wonderful platform is Faststep. It's really a wonderful platform. Whatever pills, tablet, injections, whether it's Ayurvedic, phytochemical, allopathic medicine you are taking, you can easily find out the interaction by utilizing this platform. So what it has and why do we use it? It was actually, created by the teacher Stoff in 1995 with the goal that it can disseminate much medical information as possible to the broadest and biggest professional audience possible, and to do it is not cost to the readers. So it is actually a platform that was earlier established for this goal, and later on it is being updated, and now it's a big reservoir for many of the formulations, pills, tablets, and medicines which we are taking in our daily life. It has a number of tools. If you see that about rule, you can find drug interaction checker, tree identifier, calculator is there, decision points are there, Medline is there. You can even see the anatomy, procedures, slide to collection, simulations, and many other things. Today's video, we will definitely see the drug interaction checker because in India or probably in the country where we are living, we do not have the medical facilities to check if a physician has prescribed you two different drugs and you want to check whether they are compatible or not. So through drug interaction checker, today we will see that how it works and how you can check the formulations of the medicine, if it is prescribed to your parents, your grandparents, or probably you, or probably your child, you can see the interaction between the drugs or the medicines which has been prescribed by the physician. Now, this is the window where you can see this interaction checker window where you only have to write the name of the drug. You have to write the two different drug names because in this way only it is going to check the interaction between two. Now, the thing what does it actually work on? It is actually a checker builder with actually effectively show the clinical search, multiple reputation infection, and even you come to know about contraindications, serious use alternatives, and monitor closely and minor adverse events. So this is all great terminology which we use in medical sciences, which can be, because when it comes to the mechanism of the interaction, cytochrome P450 enzyme is metabolism activity, induction, pharmacodynamics, synergistic, antagonistic effect is all can be checked by this particular interaction checker. Now, what will we see? Now, suppose this is a window where I have tried to enter metformin. So as I start writing about the medicine or probably the drug, it will give me lots of clues along with the formulations which are available in your country. So one was the metformin, and then I used was furosemide. These are the minor interactions which are actually being exhibited by this particular interaction. So if you are finding any uneasiness or probably some other kind of side effect or adverse effect after taking these two drug combination, you can directly come on this web server to check whether they have got any kind of interaction or not. This can easily be done with it. Now, how can we do it practically sitting at our home? This is the web page. How you come to this web page? You only use Google search engine and you only have to type this Medscape. You will find this particular web page where you have to click on the tools and the references because we have to use a tool for checking the interaction between the two medicines probably my uncle is taking. So I only have to click on it. You can find number of tools available. Go to click on drug interaction checker. So when you click on it, you will see this kind of window where you have to write the name. So as I have used it earlier for metformin, I'm again using metformin is an anti-diabetic drug, which is primarily prescribed to the patients who are newly diagnosed with the diabetes. Then I want to check its interaction with furosemide. So the other drug which I want to use is furosemide. Now see, when I type the second drug name, it has started showing two infections. First one is metformin with the furosemide, And the interaction is metformin decreases the level of furosemide by unspecified infection mechanism. If you are using furosemide for stress reduction, its action can definitely be reduced by taking metformin along with furosemide. Second goes to it is furosemide increases level of metformin by unspecified infection mechanism. Though it is unknown, patients should be closely observed for loss of blood glucose control when drug are withdrawal from the patient receiving metformin. The patient should be observed closely by hypoglycemia. So in this way, like as I have used only two examples, you can use multiple examples in order to find out the interaction between them. And if any kind of side effect, adverse effect, or undesired effect is being observed by your relative, by your patient, or probably by you, then you can easily come and check it on this particular wonderful website. So thank you everyone. Start utilizing it and go on researching because that's the good thing to do. Thank you everyone.